High performance LED headlights for your Jeep? Well, there's lots out there to choose from. But today, we're gonna show you something new and something that's very different. Now, those of you familiar with Baja Designs' legendary off-road LP6 lights, you might be wondering what's the difference between these off-road LP6s and their DOT LP6s. Well, the off-road LP6s, they're using reflective type optics, and that's designed to give you as much light down that trail as far as possible. The new DOT LP6 lights, they're designed using projector type optics. And that's so Baja Design can dial in that low beam and that high beam pattern to give you maximum light performance, yet stay within DOT specifications. Meaning, if you aim these lights correctly, you're not gonna be blinding oncoming traffic, yet still get really good light performance. Now, another thing we like is the daytime running light function, and they're available in white or the amber that we have here in our giveaway Gladiator. On the low beam side, these headlights put out over 3,400 raw lumens for a total of over 42,500 candela. And that's all at 1.8 amp draw. On the high beam side, it's over 5,200 raw lumens, putting out a total of over 62,000 candela. And that's all done at 2.8 amps. These lights are powerful and efficient. They also feature Baja Designs moisture block technology. They're rainproof, they're waterproof, they're even submersible. It also features Baja Designs copper drive technology, which powers their LEDs at maximum capacity. Now, tearing out the grills are really easy. You just got these 6 clips right across the top of the grill. Now, one of the cool things about the new grills is how much more room there is for winch clearance. So we just grab this and give it a quick little yank. Then it's a 10 mil socket, and you have 3 bolts to remove to get the headlights out. Now we just give that a wiggle, pull it out, and then we're gonna depress that tab right there, give it a little wiggle, and out comes your plug. All right, now let's grab a cloth, spread that out. That's just to protect our light. Now on the light itself, you have LP6, that's right at the top. Down at the bottom, we have our BD logo. And if we flip it around, you also have BD on the back side. So this is the top, this is the bottom. Then we're gonna grab our light retention bracket, and it's gonna drop right over the top with these flanges facing up. Let's go ahead and get some screws going. And we're just gonna run those right into the side of the light. Okay, now we're gonna slide that light aside and grab our body mount bracket. And we're gonna set that tall flange with the 2 holes on it in that 7 o'clock position. And that's gonna make this our top nut boss. And we're gonna put our springs right over the top of each one of those nut bosses. And now we can take our light, spin it around. This is the top of our light. Here's our top mounting hole, and that's gonna line right up with that top nut boss. Then in goes our screws. Then I've got a driver with a number 4 hex bit, and we're just gonna run those screws in. And you only wanna go in just until those springs start to compress. We'll get more tension on them as we aim these headlights. But for right now, just run them in until we get a little bit of compression. We're good to go. Now to mount our light, we want to flip it around. This is our plug socket. Let's go ahead and throw that Deutsch plug right in there. And there's our pigtail to go to the factory wiring harness. And let's take a moment to talk about this. Now, this is a halogen equipped Jeep, but we've got the kit for an LED equipped Jeep. And what it has an extra pin for the daytime running lights. And when we look at our factory plug, we've got all 4 wires there. This will work with an LED light with the daytime running lights. all we have to do is turn that on, and we can either have the dealer do it or we can turn it on with a taser or one of the Super Chips Plus. Now, if you don't have a programmer or don't want to go to the dealer, you can get the halogen kit. And that pigtail's only going to have 3 wires right here. And then it's going to come with another wire that you're going to plug into this socket. And then you're going to route it up over to your PDC, and then that's going to be your daytime running lights. We decided to go with the LED kit just to make it easy. It's got all the wires there, and we can just enable it using our programmer. So let's just plug that right into the factory socket. Spin this around. And let's go ahead and get it mounted into place. So we're going to use our 10 mil socket and put the original bolts right back in. Now, before the grille goes back on, we want to adjust these headlights. And the beauty of this kit is you've got 3 adjustments per headlight. And so we can really dial in that beam pattern. And we can go right here to this top screw. Let's go ahead and just... All right, so there's your low beam, and there's our high beam. Now our Gladiator came with the halogen headlights, and so we don't have the halos enabled. And you could take this to the dealership and have them do it, but if you're gonna be modifying your vehicle, putting bigger tires on, things like that, you're gonna wanna have a programmer, like a Taser Mini, or even the new Flash Cow Plus from Super Chips. And that's what we've installed in this vehicle. And this is really easy to do. I'm gonna go right to our light configuration, bang. It's gonna load those options. And then I can just scroll right down to our halo lights, and let's go ahead and activate them and upload it. And there we go, our halos now work. So if you're gonna be installing a set of these, get the set that's designed for a vehicle that already has the LED light package, and then just program it with your programmer. As you saw, it worked perfectly with ours. Well, you gotta admit, that's cool. Now, if you're looking for a set of high-performance headlights for your Jeep JL, JT, or even your JK, and one that's going to give you a very distinctive look to the front of your Jeep, well, I'm going to encourage you to take a closer look at these DOT LP6 headlights from Baja Design. It's a high-performance headlight from a high-performance lighting company. And of course, we've got them here at Northridge 4x4. You'll find links down below. And while you're down there, drop any comments or questions you'll have. I'll meet you down there to answer them. And then I'm going to say thanks for watching today. We'll see you next time.